Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to upgrade your headlights on your Honda Accord Coupe. I'm going to be upgrading the original headlights to LED. This is the particular model I'm going with, and I'll have links to them in the description down below, so please check it out. And there's no extra additional hardware that you need, it's just the two LED bulbs and they're ready to install. It's all plug and play. So underneath the hood, we're going to access our headlight assembly, and right in the corner of each headlight is the low beam bulb, the one that we're going to be replacing. And to take out the old bulb, we're going to unplug the wire. You just push the wire mouth and pull it right down. Once the wire's off, twist the bulb and it'll come right out. And you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Installing the new LED headlight is very simple. We're going to plug the wire, put the LED into the socket, and then twist it and lock it into place. Here's how the new LED looks during the daylight. Looking back at the original one, the original was very yellow and very dull compared to this new LED that I just got installed. And here's a glance of them at night. The original looks very yellow compared to the new LED, and the LED is just a lot more brighter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy upgrade on the Honda Accord Coupe. If you guys enjoyed this upgrade, please drop a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.